Automate employee leave request with n8n less than 1 minute. Welcome back guys to another AI automation n8n and no code tutorial. Today we'll automate employee leave requests so every submission is analyzed by AI, stored automatically and sent straight to your HR team without a single click. First we have the webhook node. This purpose is to receive leave request form from a form or system. The path will be leave request and the expected field will be the name, email, reason, start date and end date. Node 2 will be the set clean request data. Purpose is to keep only the important fields and timestamp the entry, name, email, reason, start date, end date and the timestamp. Node 3 is the OpenAI, the analyze leave request. The prompt will be this: analyze this employee leave request and output JSON with urgency, sentiment and summary, name, reason and duration. The fourth node is the Airtable node. His purpose is to save all the analyze leave request in your database with the operation upsert. Airtable stores every request with its AI classification. And the last node is the Slack node. Its purpose to instantly notify HR when a new leave request arrive. The task is new leave request and urgency, sentiment and JSON name. Slack instantly pings HR with full details and AI insight. Now let's open it all. Submit, and that's how you automate employee leave request with AI automation, n8n and no code. Subscribe and stay tuned for more smart workflows powered by AI.